Namaste. Hey beautiful yoga mamas. Today I invite you to practice on your core. Core work during pregnancy can prevent the chance of back problems and reduce pain and pressure in your pelvis. Today you're going to learn 4 exercises that focus on your belly. Grab a yoga block or a book and place it somewhere close by. Let's get started in a seat, and we'll focus on our breath to get started. Don't forget to check the description box below, as I will be sharing a few resources for you to look over that will provide a few more workouts for your core. Roll your shoulders and get comfortable in your seated position, and place both hands on your belly. We'll practice a few moments of belly breathing, so take a long breath in through your nose and extend your belly out. And on your exhale, hug your baby in. Use these first few moments to set an intention for your practice to really connect with your baby and give your baby a little hug and enjoy this practice. Take another big breath in through your nose, expand your belly out. And on your exhale, breathe out and hug your baby in. Take another full breath in. Open mouth, exhale. Inhale fully. Exhale completely. Wait a few more moments on your own, breathing to your own rhythm. Take one more full breath in through your nose and exhale fully. And when you're ready, we'll meet on all fours tabletop. Take your time getting there. Stack your shoulders on top of your wrists and bring your knees directly underneath your hips. We will practice bird dog. Press your hands into the mat. Send your gaze in between your thumbs. Draw your ribs and navel in. And press your right foot completely into the mat and point your toes to engage your low core. Extend your left leg long. Flex your foot behind you and send your toes towards your face. If you feel like this is enough and you're afraid, maybe don't extend your right arm long, but if you'd like the challenge, extend your right arm long, spread your fingertips wide, and really continue to press your right toes into the mat, press your left arm into the ground, and breathe in fully. And on your exhale breath, you can bring all fours back down onto the mat. And when you're ready, we're going to swap it out for the opposite side. Extend your right foot back, flexing your right foot towards your face and extending your left arm long this time. Keeping your core engaged by drawing your ribs and navel in. Stay strong here. And when you're ready, you can let both hands and feet meet the mat. On your inhale, cow pose. Drop your belly, lift your gaze. Exhale, cat, round your spine, tuck your chin into your chest. 2 more rounds, inhale, cow, and exhale, cat. Inhale, cow, exhale, cat. Complete a few more rounds on your own. Last exhale, come to a neutral position, setting up for one more round of bird dog. Inhale, extend your limbs long, your right arm forward and your left foot back. Hold for a few rounds of breath on your own. Take a full breath in through your nose. Exhale, plant both your hands and your feet on the mat. And on your next inhale breath, extend your opposite arm and opposite leg forward and back. Stabilize your core and breathe. Hold for a few breaths on your own. Take a full breath in through your nose. And on your exhale, plant both feet and hands back on the mat and come to tabletop position. Transition onto your bottom. We will find and set up for reverse tabletop and the option to find reverse plank pose. Grab your block and place it in between your knees. Squeeze the block in between your knees. This will engage your low belly. Place your hands directly behind your hips and make sure your hands are completely planted. Make sure your feet are also completely planted. And on your next inhale breath, lift up your hips and find reverse tabletop position. When you're ready, you can lift your chin up towards the ceiling. Take a big breath in through your nose. Open mouth, exhale. Feel the stretch through your shoulders, building strength through your arms. When you're ready, and if you'd like to, take the option of finding reverse plank pose. Slowly walking out your heels, straightening your legs, and sending your hips up higher. Take another full breath in through your nose. Open mouth, exhale, stay. Inhale, lift your hips a little bit higher. And on your exhale, lower all the way down onto your mat. Make a transition onto your back, then we'll set up for bridge pose. Bring your heels and your glutes closer together. Slowly recline down onto your back. You can move your block out the way for a moment. And when you're settled, your heels directly underneath your glutes, you can take your block and place it in between your knees to make sure you're mindful of keeping your core engaged. Plant your hands to graze the heels of your feet and really press your arms and hands down into the mat. When you're ready, lift your hips up on your inhale breath, pressing through your heels and the palms of your hands, squeezing your shoulder blades together, lifting and strengthening your core and your glutes. Take a big breath in through your nose. On your exhale, lower your hips, tapping your glutes on the mat. Glute raises. Inhale, lift your hips up and squeeze. Exhale, lower and tap. Inhale, lift and hold. Exhale, tap. Take a few more on your own. On your next inhale, rise and slowly lower down onto your glutes and your back. Settling down, remove your block and let it come to the side. Find reclined butterfly position. Bring the bottoms of your feet together to touch and let your knees open like a book. Place both hands on your belly and connect with yourself, your baby, and your breath. Finding a few moments of belly breathing. Take a long breath in through your nose, let your belly rise. And exhale, let your belly fall in to hug your baby. Enjoy this space for however long you need it. Connecting within your breath, your baby. Whenever you'd like, you can find your final Savasana pose or you can stay here. Take a full breath in through your nose and open mouth exhale. Check in with yourself in this space and be slow and steady as you move yourself up to a seat. You can take a moment to check in with your heart space and your belly. And when you're ready, roll off to the side and slowly press yourself up to a seat. I am so grateful for each and every one of you watching this video. I pray for a healthy delivery, a fast delivery. Namaste, sweet mamas. I'll see you next Friday. Have a good day.